50 कर दिया। हाँ, अरे ये अच्छा, ये रहा। हाँ
देखो
हाँ, फोटो लेते रुक।
One world, one ride.
Good morning, guys. This is Devashish here. Today from Quito, we are leaving our family behind and going to Guayaquil. And Mama, Doris, and Fernando is gonna ride till half a distance or something like that, 100 kilometers or so. Oh boy! Look at Mama, all dressed up, and Choti. DJ and me are giving the address of ours. It is gonna be very, very painful, man. Today, it's gonna be very painful. Mama getting ready for the ride, eh? And Doris, you too. You're ready, eh? Wow. Mama gave us blessings. Got to be strong.
Todo, mi amor. My love.
डीजे
हाँ,
आगे जा। कल का दिन कैसा निकल गया मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा है।
हाँ।
कल रात को तो साला मैं ऐसा हो गया था ना कि मतलब यार इन लोग को छोड़ के जाने को कितना तकलीफ होने वाला है। बेचारा डैन नहीं आ पाया क्योंकि वो बीमार पड़ गया।
हाँ, उसके लिए अभी गोली वोली बुलवाई।
हाँ मालूम है।
गोली बुलवाई वो दी है कि बॉडी एक्चुअल में क्या हो डिहाइड्रेट हो।
हाँ बोल भी रहा था वो। ये अमेरिकन लोग थोड़ा नाजुक रहते रहे। ये देख डीजे।
मेरे को नहीं दिखेगा। 50 करके अरे ये अच्छा ये रहा हाँ
देखो
हाँ फोटो लेते रुक
कुछ ज्यादा आगे नहीं आ गया फोटो के लिए?
और ज्यादा आगे आ गए भाई चलें कि रुके देबू
फोटो लेने का क्या डीजे?
चलो चलो चलो
अरे लेकिन छोटी किधर है?
पलटने नहीं नहीं पलटने वाले को नहीं है
अरे पलटेंगे क्या को? Okay, we had stopped here for a coffee and some breakfast. Mama saw to it that we eat before we leave. Look at this. I'm gonna cry now in some time for sure. Yeah, no, that's okay. That's it. This will be very painful for me. Oh, I'm gonna cry in some time for sure. Who would know that such lovely people exist in life? They're gonna make sure that we get on the proper highway, and then that's Doris. Oh. Okay, this is very hard to part. Mama, sir. Oh God, this is difficult. DJ.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
DJ मेरे को बहुत रोना आ रहा है यार.
फोन पे जाके आराम से बात करना.
यार ये 2 दिन में इतना लगाव कैसे हो सकता है यार? मामा और डोरिस, अरे क्या कसम से यार. यार मामा तो मिलते ही रुला दिया मेरे को. इतना प्यार देके बिछड़ना तो मेरे को तभी मेरी गांड फट गई थी, मालूम है क्या? क्योंकि मेरे को लगा था लोग से बिछड़ने को बहुत तकलीफ होने वाला है. Oh shit, God bless them yaar. Oh shit. Come on, they were strong. 101 किलोमीटर में खड़ा करते हैं डीजे. क्योंकि क्या है, इतना आंसू गिराने के बाद थोड़ा ये होता है यार. क्या होता है, थोड़ा सर भारी लगता है. DJ and me both fueled up. We have 186 kilometers to go till the destination. Expected time of arrival is 4:47. Sorry that I got emotional. Happens when you meet lovely people like this. Goodbyes are very painful for me. If you tell me what is the toughest thing in this ride, I would say goodbyes. Yeah. It's with Leo, then Kila, Luis from New Jersey, Luis from Honduras, and now this Fernando. Well, that's what life is. Ready, DJ? So, oh boy. अरे माँ क्या नी oh boy. बसले का तुम्ही बाईक मध्ये चले क्या
चल
stopped by to see these mangoes. Red color mangoes. First time I'm seeing. So DJ wanted to click the photograph of red color mango. So yeah. Look at the beauty. Okay guys, so we have reached the hotel and it was a tiring ride, not tiring I would say. It was very emotional for me to leave Mama, Doris and Fernando. You really, in 2 days, the amount of love they given us, I have no words. I have seriously no words. And she saw to it that we have our meal before we part. She bought us Gatorade and water and everything. And well, it was a very emotional moment for me. So I didn't vlog much. Not in a mood to vlog at all. Because I don't know. This journey has made me emotional a lot. My emotional side is coming out. I don't know why, how, but I don't know. But still, to all the lovely people, enjoy, live life, love people. मैं काय को ज्ञान बांटता यार. Anyways, To all the lovely people who are watching this video, stay blessed. And yes, I look tired. I am tired. I am a bit emotionally down. That's why I'm looking more tired. So tomorrow I think I should be okay. So tomorrow we're gonna cross to Peru. So to all the lovely people who are watching this video, stay blessed and bye bye.
One world, one ride.
ये इक्वेडर तो आ गया, बोर्ड आ गया सर. ये होएंगे ना, ग्रासियस, थैंक यू, डू विजिट अगेन टाइप्स. डीजे फोटो, डीजे
हाँ
वेलकम टू बोरो फोटो. बनता है ना बॉस? हाँ
हाँ.
चल लगाओ.
पहले तू तेरा ले ले बाइक का. चल लेने दे.
दोनों हाथ में लेते ना भाई, क्या है ऐसा?
हाँ.
तेरा मेरा क्या, तेरा और क्या मेरा, बाजू में लगा दे दोनों, है ना.